Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
eToro is regulated. Not all platforms are regulated. Regulations are put in place to protect investors, so you should only trade with regulated platforms. eToro operates in accordance with the FCA, SISEC and ASIC. eToro is safe and secure. Always look for security signs on your browser before you trade.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Just a quick heads up. eToro is a CFD broker. Usually we don't recommend CFD brokers for beginners unless they want to trade currencies. For beginners looking to trade mostly stocks, we recommend choosing a stockbroker where you can buy the actual shares of a company instead of a CFD contract for the stock.
Make your mark, take our lead.
On the negative side, eToro's non-trading fees are high as there are withdrawal and inactivity fees. Money withdrawals can be slow and USD is the only currency you can hold your cash in. Lastly, it's difficult to contact the customer support.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is eToro a scam? Because it looks different from many other trading platforms, some people think eToro is a scam. But that's not the case. eToro is legit. They're a licensed brokerage registered by the Cypriot investment firm, CIF.
Make your mark, take our lead.
As for commission-free, yes, eToro is commission-free when purchasing the underlying asset. If you buy stocks on eToro, there is no commission. If you want to short sell or use leverage, there is a charge, but for most new investors, the platform does offer a no-strings-attached, commission-free trading experience.
Make your mark, take our lead.
eToro is the counterparty to all retail client trades. This means that if eToro goes bankrupt, your account is at risk and you could lose some or all of your account balance. A typical example would be if the Forex broker goes bankrupt, the clients can recover their account balances via the fund.
Take our lead.
Yes, there's a possibility. Not only eToro, even TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. Most websites of big companies have been attacked by hackers every day, even second. Just that, can they successfully hacked into it or not?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.